Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Okay, this is your friend John. So today I will be showing you, the most unique ways of where you can make sugarcane juice. Okay, and if you're watching my vlog for the first time, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please do not forget to follow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how they make sugarcane juice in Kolkata. All right. So basically, you see this crushed ice. Okay, it's the month of April. It's super hot in Kolkata, alright? And look guys, so this putting the sugar cane over there and the juice is coming, in a very instant way. Look, that's the juice, it's called the sugar cane juice, okay? And yeah, so if you guys tried this, you let me know guys, okay? So they have this big machine over here, okay? You can only see this in Kolkata, not only in Kolkata, but most of the parts in India, okay, probably. And they have different size glass. Look there, for 20, 30 and 50, and I don't know the price, but those are the different size glass you can order the juice in, okay? So look guys, and if you love sugarcane juice, come to Kolkata and find these people here, okay? They will make the sugarcane juice and they will cheers it to you, That's how it is. Look, guys. Just look at the crowd. The crowd is insane. It's a month of April. Is super hot, so everybody love enjoying this, And they put this ice so the sugarcane juice is cold and chilled. Looks like beer, looks like beer, So look guys, bro, हमको एक तो दे दो. हाँ भाई. Just look at the crowd. The crowd is just insane, This is how it is, And if you want to try this, you have to come to a place called, Park Street, Maidan, And look, I will show you where I am. Look. So if you go straight from here, you need to take left. You'll reach to a place called Park Street, okay? And if you cross the road, you'll reach to a place called Maidan. And if you go straight and take the right, you'll reach to a place called New Market. So this is how it looks. It's super crowded, it's the month of April. It's super hot, People love enjoying this. Okay, so this is how it is. Look, guys. So basically, he has this cane, so he puts that inside and you get the juice, out there. And this is the, wastage, wastage, After that is all the way done, it looks like this. You can burn this or do whatever you feel like, I don't know. So I'm waiting for my glass. Once I get my glass, I'm gonna cheers to guys, okay? So that's the bucket full of sugarcane juice with all this crushed ice, It's insane, guys. Look at the juices, guys. If you love juice and sugarcane juice is like very nice, Yeah. So it's ready, okay? So now is my turn to try. So you have this different, size glass. They have for 15, 20, and 60. You see that big jug there? Looks like beer jug, So yeah. So guys, I got my glass. I need to find It's very crowded, it's very crowded, guys, very crowded. So this is my glass, look. So he gave me this for 20 rupees, Looks like a beer jug, But anyways, let's try this, guys. Alright guys, finally after a long wait, look at the crowd there, It's insane, It's super hot in Kolkata and people love enjoying this. Instead of beer, you have the sugarcane juice, you know. So cheers. Let's have this. It's nice. So if you come to Kolkata, you know, please try the sugarcane juice. So I will say bye for now. Thank you for watching my vlog. If you like this vlog, please subscribe. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. Let's make memories. Love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.